Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. All right, so let's just go ahead and get started. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Kaylee Cruz Luxury Hair Care line. I'm going to do a review of the shampoo, conditioner, hair serum, as well as the clip-ins. So this is the argan oil conditioner. Okay, so the first thing that I noticed about the conditioner was the scent of it, which I absolutely loved. It smelled kind of like a fruit cocktail, and it lathered up very nice. The consistency is like a medium consistency. It's not too thick or too thin, and it lathered up very nice. Cleansed my hair without stripping it of its natural oils. Like, my hair was still extremely moisturized, so that was a huge plus. So after I shampooed my hair, I followed up with the argan oil conditioner. It's only 8.5 ounces, so I was a bit worried that it wasn't going to be enough for my hair. I do have a lot of hair. I have thick hair as well. So I have a tendency to use like triple the amount of conditioner that I do with the shampoo, but I was pleasantly surprised that I actually only used maybe like 1/4 of the container. It kind of melted into my hair. So I left it on for about 5 minutes. And after I rinsed my hair was extremely soft. My curls were elongated. Like, I was really surprised because it's not a deep conditioner. And usually my hair only gets that type of moisture when I use deep conditioner. So I really did like that. And on top of that, it smelled like a fruit cocktail as well. So that's another plus. So the final product that I used from this line is the Luscious Hair Serum. I use it as a heat protectant because I did blow dry my hair. The only part of my hair that's going to be left out is the perimeter. So whenever I'm doing a braid down, I always blow dry it just to get my hair as flat as possible. Because like I said, I do have a lot of hair and it is thick, so it can get extremely poofy. And so when I say that this serum is amazing, it is one of the best hair serums, heat protectants that I have ever used. It's extremely lightweight, it's non-greasy, it melted into my hair, just like absorbed extremely quick. And yeah, I have no complaints about this. I love
The
it.
hanger and extension carrier is a great way to keep your hair organized. I absolutely love it. It's also great for traveling.
I also received this bag right here. It's a cute little bag to keep your extensions in as well. It's perfect for traveling too. That way I can keep my hair in here, and then I can keep my products in here, and I don't have to worry about the products accidentally spilling onto the hair and then them getting messed up because it'll be in separate containers. I have 2 bundles of the 18-inch kinky curly clip-ins. Each bundle comes with 7 pieces. 1 bundle is enough, but I like a lot of volume, so I'm probably going to use like a bundle and a half or 2 for mine. Now I'm excited. I haven't decided if I'm going to do, I know I'm going to do a blow dry style. I haven't decided if it's going to be flexi rods or if I'm just going to do wand curls, but yeah, I'm excited. And the hair is extremely soft. It is virgin hair, so you can treat it like it's your natural hair. You can do different types of styles. You can blow dry it, flat iron it, curl it, wear it in a wash and go style like you would do your own, do a twist out, braid out. And then the last product that I have is the bonnet. It's a silk bonnet with the elastic band. It's always hard for me to try and find a bonnet that fits all of my hair in there. This one looks small, but it actually fits all of my hair in there, and the band is elastic, so I do have room to grow. It's so cute.
If there is a certain style that you would like to see me doing with the clip-ins, just leave a comment below and let me know.